All right, this is a preview of a member video, Stock Sectors. You're going to see R.V. Ramachandran, one of our great cycle analysts here, as he analyzes the financial sector. This, again, is a member video. The analysis on the full video has 12 different financial stocks, and he's going to share with you right now the analysis on CitiGroup.
So this one is a bit out of phase versus some of the other major banks that we have looked at here. However, you can see very clear cycles here, and we have really been annotating this chart for many years. You can see we have had a bearish cycle form here with a lower cycle low versus the prior low, then had a perfect failure versus this intermediate 50 to the 61.8, and then turned down and broke the low here at 57.59, which is that we are in a left-hand translation where the high forms early in the cycle, and you look for this to sell off really for the rest of the cycle and for rallies to fail. You can see we had a mid-cycle low due. This is all that it was able to muster is really a 2-week rally, and then has already broken that low. So we have the dominant cycle pushing down as well as the minor cycle. Again, super negative pattern. If you want to learn more about this overall methodology, definitely check out the cycle workshop. We have a special going on until April 17th. Now, the next key low is due here, 613 to 711. So that's the overall picture here in CitiGroup. We're looking for a move to the intermediate term 100 at 46.32. And we have a 127.2 down here at 40.41. So overall, we'd be looking for rallies to fail and to see resolution on the downside.